Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks. God bless you as you do this. Yomi Fabiyi also took to his Instagram page to write an emotional tribute to her on her posthumous birthday. No tears but smile, no pain but joy, no sadness but Ayo. You are a friend, follower, supporter, and a cult. In 2008 during my son's naming ceremony, you came early and left late with your mom. You joked you are my first wife, Ayal. You said to her mom, let us stay with Uncle Yomi more to help him when everyone is gone. You are always present during all our outings with Save Nigeria movie industry campaign. You do chat me up and remind me of my posts and BCs. You believed in me and lose no time to tell me where my potentials lie at any given opportunity. Anytime I visit you at the car wash, we gist, and we discuss as good friends and blood. You lived a life of good character, worthy of emulation. I honestly will not forget you. I have memories of the other day you had to stand by the Intercomm when I was driving so late to where you guys are just because you and your mum don't want me to go to a corridor that late cause it was risky. Who knows if that gesture saved my life. And that was our last picture together. Iyawomi Kikara, I find consolation that your pain and sleepless nights are over. Not until recently, I didn't notice your reactions when I visited you at the hospital. I asked, will you hang in there while we get you out of the country? But be happy, okay, cause we will all meet again. Before then, remember Uncle Yomi loves you. I don't forget my friends or those loyal and good to me, never. Happy posthumous birthday, Ayo.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. Any events going on in Nigeria, Gua TV is always the first to get there, so you just need to subscribe unless you'll be missing out. And how to subscribe? There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all.
And if any event just take place or you heard something, just go on YouTube, search for Gua TV. You see the.
And if you have a big show coming up, any events, you can call us.